Okay, for a and b, they want us to solve for y, right? They want to treat them as literal equations. So negative 6x minus 2y equals 8. I could add 6x to both sides and get negative 2y equals 6x plus 8. And I could divide by negative 2 and get y equals negative 3x minus 4. So I've solved that equation for y. For b, let's do that here. I have 2x squared plus 2y equals 4x plus 2x squared minus 7. Okay, we subtract 2x squared from both sides, right? So they go away. So now I have 2y equals 4x minus 7, and I divide by 2, and I get y equals 2x minus 7 halves. Y equals 2x minus 7 halves. Okay, for C, they want us then state the slope and y for each equation in part C. Okay, so C says for each of the two solved equations, find the y-intercept and the slope. So for C, the y-intercept is right here. I'm just going to circle them, right? The y-intercept is negative 4. And the slope is negative 3, right? Slope and y-intercept, or b, right? Okay, and then for the next one, the y-intercept is right here, right? That's the b, negative 7 halves, and the slope is here, right? Slope is 2, right? So the slope is 2 for that one, and the y-intercept is negative 7 halves.